Now today we discuss, will the wrong sized battery damage a car? So without wasting any time, let's explore it directly. Using the wrong sized battery in a car can indeed cause damage. Car batteries are specifically designed to provide the correct amount of power required by the vehicle. If a battery with the wrong size is installed, it may not be able to deliver the necessary voltage and current to power the car's electrical components. If the battery is too small, it may struggle to start the engine and provide inadequate power for the car's electrical system, leading to issues such as dim headlights, slow starting, and even potential damage to the vehicle's electrical components. On the other hand, if the battery is too large, it can result in excessive electrical currents flowing through the car's electrical system, which can damage sensitive components such as the alternator, starter motor, and even the engine control unit. Additionally, using the wrong-sized battery can also affect the battery's ability to fit properly into the designated battery tray or compartment.